получится. Геймплей одной из самых моей ожидаемых игр вышел, видимо. А когда дату сказали, сразу скажите мне, спойлерните.
Hey everyone, we've been quiet for some time.
По-русски говори.
Since, like the rest of the world, we had some unforeseen hurdles to clear. But the wait is over. Let's dive into the open world.
Капец, пни этого зомбу.
Dying Light 2.
О, даже так. Ничего себе. Ну да, зомбу смягчает падение, я в Форсаже видел. Декембер? 7 декабря? Ну, неплохо.
The last slice of Dying Light 2 showcased the mission from the main storyline.
Капец.
Get out there, old fuck.
You saw how your
Капец.
decisions influenced the narrative and notably
Капец.
changed the environment.
Я в это буду играть.
This time, we want to give you a broader look at the game and a sneak peek at some of the things we'll be talking about in upcoming months.
Парашют будет? Капуцк.
In Dying Light 2, you become Aiden Caldwell, an outsider trying to unravel a tangled mystery from his past. Its trail leads him to the city, probably the last
Капец,
bastion
город какой-то слишком, мне кажется, сложный.
of mankind in the world.
Капуцка Ти-зомбу прикольная. А крутые убийства будут? В первой игре был трейлер именно про убийство.
You feel like this
Ля,
intense,
какая тварь,
brutal
ля.
place will tear you apart. But then you meet the Night Runners, veteran survivors who
Прикольно.
help people in better days.
Капуцк, зомбу избивать можно.
You were a night runner. You used to help people, remember?
Night runners are gone.
Ебать, паркур! Паркур!
And although it's not entirely clear you can trust them, you need allies
Что он
in the
творит?
dark.
Чё за тварь? Ебать зомби.
And these are the modern Dark Ages. It's been 15 years since the apocalypse and the world has changed. The old civilization has fallen, but a new one has been built on its ashes.
Прикол.
People fight desperately for scarce resources. Rules
Ну они
of
дерутся как
and
в
weakness
прошлой типа игре,
is
ничего.
punished. Three factions
Капец.
struggle for position in the city. Survivors pride
Капуцк, тут
themselves on
реально
being
как будто выживают. Это бункер 2?
able to adapt to any circumstances and cobble together safe zones almost everywhere. Peacekeepers, loyal soldiers who want to impose their version of law and order and trample all in their path.
Прикол.
Renegades, ex-prisoners serving their
Капуцк.
ruthless
А по-русски
crimes,
можно?
seeking to become sole rulers of the city.
Where is Waltz? Make him tell me.
Капец.
Use these factions to reach your goal.
Прикол, можно
Or harm
прокачивать.
them to reshape the city to your liking.
Капец! Я про такую хуйню говорил, только я говорил бревно привязать в бункере.
Remember, each faction contains complex characters.
Ля какая. Чикса для чпоканья.
So, will you follow cold calculation or your heart?
The bazaar needs good people. Help us and you'll find a home here.
Some in the city
Или ты
offer
бомжом
no
будешь.
chance for an alliance. Bandits, outlaws, and common thugs live only to plunder and kill, plunging the streets
какие,
into
блин.
chaos.
Капуцк там
Yet,
кровище.
nightfall scares all of them equally.
Понял.
Darkness changes the rules of the world. As the light
А,
fails,
субтитры можно?
monsters crawl out of hiding to prey on the poor souls caught outside the safety of UV rays.
Прикол.
Hordes of infected pour into the streets like decaying lava.
Прикольно.
The deadly spawn of
Что за тварь
15 years of
светящаяся?
mutation and evolution.
Нихуя себе. Ничего себе. Прикол.
Your only escape? Exploit the city's verticality and flee to the roofs.
Капец.
Though even there, you are never safe from swift and deadly virals.
Капут. Прикол.
Even greater threat. Yet night brings opportunity as well. Nests rife with infected during the day now lie empty. To explore them, you must tread carefully.
Всегда страшно было в первой части эти гнезда защищать.
But those brave enough to face the terrors of the night can loot a jackpot.
Я в это буду играть, чтобы для испозомба воровать идеи из этой игры.
Luckily, you have all the tools you need to survive.
Нихуя, нихуя.
Extraordinary parkour skills allow you to navigate even the most
Ничего себе
treacherous
круто.
terrain.
Прикол. Как он так высоко подходит?
On the roofs, you can count on your parkour
Капец.
acrobatics to save your life.
Капец! Это моя любимая, я этим обожаю заниматься в первой части.
But often, you'll have to face your enemies head on. And then you have to be smart,
Капут.
resourceful, and determined.
Прикол.
Worked hard on the essence of our combat, making sure swinging a big, meaty weapon is fun, satisfying, and well executed. But
Капут.
even the most brutal fights can be tactical as well. You have
Капут.
multiple ways to hone your skills.
Подожди, чем он его подтянул?
Brutal fights can be tactical as well. You have multiple
Глянь.
ways to
Нихуя.
hone your skills toward the gameplay style that suits you best.
Ничего себе.
It's up to you if you focus mostly on mobility and parkour, or aggressive, blunt force combat, or
Капец.
a crafty approach where the tools you've created get the job done.
Капец.
Every ability you learn can be a game changer and possibly a new
Капец.
Things move fast and quick in Dying Light 2. Each moment matters. Each move could mean triumph or defeat.
Чесать за что-то.
Choose your actions and friends carefully. Everything you do in the city can reshape the gameplay environment, change the course of the narrative, and decide the fate of the city's residents.
Ничего себе.
But most importantly, you decide your own fate as well.
You're about to turn.
Make sure to stay human.
Капут. Декумбер. Ну нормально, я буду в это играть, это по-любому, я эту игру ждал, но ее, правда, сначала на 2019 год обещали изначально. Не, ну преордер можно, да, может быть, оформлю реально, да. О, пацаны, а знаете, что я придумал? Все, это конец стрима, нахуй!